For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Chinese Communist Party has expelled senior leader and professor Cai Xia for criticizing the leadership. Cai Xia was expelled from the Chinese Communist Party on Monday. She had criticized Chinese leadership over India-China border clash at Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. Cai Xia said India-China border clash was the result of Chinese leadership's attempt to divert attention of Chinese public from domestic issues. Cai Xia is a former professor at the CCP's elite Central Party School in Beijing. A recording of her remarks criticizing Chinese President Xi Jinping surfaced recently. She had served as a professor at the Central Party School for several years. The Central Party School is the important institution where CCP officials get training. Chinese President Xi Jinping had served as school's president for more than 5 years until 2013. Mao Zedong, Liu Shaoqi and Hu Jintao were among the top leaders who headed Central Party School. 68-year-old Cai Xia is known for her outspoken and liberal views. Cai's bold criticism is rare for an insider in the CCP, which is known for strict discipline. Cai urged the 7-member Politburo Standing Committee to replace a top leader. She had also called for an overhaul of wide range of policies related to domestic and foreign affairs. The South China Morning Post had reported her remarks. She was expelled for breaching the party discipline and causing serious political problems. Cai Xia was also deprived of her retirement benefits. However, Cai Xia remained firm and reiterated her criticism against the Chinese leadership. President Xi Jinping has made the world an enemy. It is very difficult for others to control him in matters related to national and international affairs. He is responsible for the confrontation between China and the United States. He is provoking conflicts with other countries, including India, to cement his own position and authority. Cai Xia, who is presently staying in the United States, said many CCP officials are upset with the leadership. The people cannot speak the truth. The coronavirus epidemic, which started in Wuhan, spread across the world and harmed people. Chinese citizens, particularly the people of Wuhan, suffered the most. The president is becoming unchallenged as nobody dared to oppose him. She said the leadership is baffled with domestic economic woes and social tensions and hence trying to divert attention. Cai Xia said she is not worried about her expulsion and will continue to speak the truth.